Jack's an awful pet when he's been out to sea. You might say he'd be nothing but your feathered enemy. He's tough and old, he's rough and bold, and his neck should be wrung. In his big beak he's got a shrieky, disrespectful tongue. So don't buy a parrot from a sailor. Don't buy a parrot from a sailor. All them birds say embarrassing words, so don't buy a parrot from a sailor. Now shy Miss Molly bought a Polly from a sailor lad. She put him in her hat box so's you'd not know what she had. She took a crowded bus back home and thought she'd have a stroke. Each time the bloomin' hat box told another salty joke. So don't buy a parrot from a sailor. Don't buy a parrot from a sailor. All them birds say embarrassing words, so don't buy a parrot from a sailor. The cooker in a fine cafe, he bought a parrot too. One night poor cook was serving up a tasty rabbit stew. His customers was horrified, their appetites went down when Polly flew around and cried, "We'll miss you, pussycat." So don't buy a parrot from a sailor. Don't buy a parrot from a sailor. All them birds say embarrassing words, so don't buy a parrot from a sailor. Don't buy a parrot from a sailor. Don't buy a parrot from a sailor. All them birds say embarrassing words, so don't buy a parrot from a sailor.